Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's Truckers Only video. Have a nice day.
They could put me in the movies, they could put me on the cover of the Rolling Stone, but girl, I know
Is it because I have over 800,000 safe miles with this company alone? Or is it because I don't BS with them? If you know what I mean. I don't do this on a regular basis.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but yeah, as long as you're honest, sometimes I feel like I'm too honest, and not caring for profit or whatever it was.
What's the semi said? Oh yeah, today is the day. It's the perfect way for your friends and family to kick off their summer, so pass on the good news that they can listen free to Sirius XM because the radios are on. All they gotta do is press the button to listen.
Emotional testimony continues in the trial for the North Texas doctor accused of injecting. people working at
Okay, Garmin.
America's listening to this.
Okay, Garmin.
Was in Dallas raising money for his campaign. Back in D.C., his EPA finalized these rates.
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
One saddle done.
Okay, Garmin. Stupid. Okay, Garmin.
Your Money News, the nation's largest dollar store chain, is cutting back on what it sells. Dollar General is making changes. The Wall Street Journal says the discount retailer will goods it sells to get
Okay, Garmin.
shelves quicker.
Today, definitely get the sunshine while you can. We'll see clouds gather for showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Highs are going to be set in the lower 80s for your Wednesday, and then the chance of showers for Thursday as well. Currently 78 in Cleveland, 74 in Cuyahoga Falls.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.